Come here, Dumpling. Come here, Dumpling. Come here, big Dumpling. Come here, big Dumpling. Oh, oh. It's okay, good girl. And hey everybody, it's me and Dumpling, and we're back today with a Dollar Tree haul. So let me get Dumpling down while Dottie's having a fit because she's not up here, and we'll get to the Dollar Tree haul. Hold on. Oh, yeah. Alrighty, stay tuned to the end of this video, and I'm going to announce the winner of the Dossier Perfume giveaway. So just stay tuned till the end. Okay, so I got a few assorted things in here, some craft items and some usual stuff, so we'll just jump right in. We'll start with the boring work stuff. Some my LA Awesome detergent and the bleach. This is great stuff. You can't beat it for $1. I always get my detergent from Dollar Tree. The stuff's falling off. Hold on a second. Well, go ahead and let me get this out of the way. I picked up two of these platters. They're in the catering section. These are great for the holidays, but I'm going to try to make a DIY out of these. So y'all stay tuned and see what I make with these. And then I picked up this cute little container. Put Halloween candy or cookies in. It says, if you've got it, hone it. I thought that was really cute. And it does have a really nice fitting lid on it, so it would work for cookies. Keep them kind of fresh. So I got that. And then I picked up a pack of the Global Beauty Care Collagen cleansing cloths, makeup removing cloths. These are good. I think it's 30 count. Some of y'all know I have eczema on my face, and this doesn't irritate it, and it helps a lot. And I picked up some of the micellar water makeup remover wipes from Sassy and Chic. I use these to take off my waterproof mascara, so those are good. And the Crafter Square 100-piece craft sticks. These are great little crafts, or to use to stir paint or anything. And then I don't usually get a lot of food items, but I picked up some candy for my son. This is the Haribo. Is that how you say it? Haribo. Anniversary. I can't talk today. Let me get a drink of water. Anniversary edition passport mix. It's got all different kind of little candies in it from around the world, so he likes those. And this was new. Well, not the product's not new, but the scent is new. I got the fragrance booster, in-wash fragrant booster, but this is the spring scent, and this smells so good. I picked up two of those. Usually it's blue, and I don't know what the fragrance is called, but it's in a blue bottle. This is the first time I've seen the pink one. And it's 10.5 ounces. It's really good fragrance. So I picked that up. And then I got some of the rose scented 22 13-gallon trash bags. I love those. I put those in my little trash can in my bathroom. These aren't really good for your kitchen trash because they're really easy, but they do good in my little bathrooms. So. And then I picked up this cute little ceramic cactus. It's cute on its own, but I'm going to use it. I've been playing with my paint. I've been watching the videos of the people pouring the paint, and they pour the paint on stuff. So I thought I could put this in a picture and pour paint on it and see how it dripped off. Anyway, I'm going to play with it. And then I picked up some of the Lay's potato chips. I got the original and the bacon and cheddar potato skins. I got those for my son, so you can have a little snack. And then I thought these were new, but my sister tells me that Dollar Tree's had these before, but I don't remember ever seeing them. They're the little water globe picture frames. You can pop out the back and put your picture frame in. So I got one of the heart-shaped with the multicolored glitter in it, and then two of the star ones with the little silver stars in it. I thought those would be cute for me to put a picture of my mom in for Christmas, and then my little beloved Sammy dog. and my son's dog, Otto. He passed away a few years ago, but we'd like to remember him. So, but I thought that would be cute. And then it is hurricane storm season, so I picked up one of these LED lanterns. My sister said this gave off really good light, so I'm going to try it out, and I got some batteries to go with it. And if we don't have a storm, knock on wood, God willing we don't, it'd be nice to have on my little back porch, which I have a little screened-in back porch, and it had a ceiling fan with a light in it, but unbeknownst to me, the person who had the house before me and put the ceiling fan up, they did not put an outdoor ceiling fan. They put a regular ceiling fan. So it is very sad, and I'm afraid to turn it on. So that's on my list of things to be replaced. So, but that's a project for another day. Okay, I picked up this 4-pack of plastic scoops. This is really cute. This would be good if you're doing like the cookie mix in the jar for Christmas, or make homemade bath salts or anything like that. I picked those up to might doing a craft or just to have around the house. And then I got this really cute little decorative, I don't know what it is, ceramic contemporary object. I thought that was really cute, and I thought I might pour paint on it too, or just set it on the desk because it is kind of cute. I liked it a lot. So, oh, and then here's one more holiday Halloweeny thing. I got the little fence post with the skulls on it. That was kind of creepy, so I'm gonna see what I can do with that. Just a few more things in my bag, y'all. I got the silicone sink strainer. These are really good. I love these. I have these in my kitchen sink. It's great for catching little crumbs and stuff when you're rinsing things out or straining things so they don't go down your drain. I wish they would make them smaller so I could put them in my bathroom sinks. I have the little wire ones in my bathroom sink, but I just can't stand them. And then I got the 100% vinyl. This is 13 by 25 inch bath mat. It is, I should have gotten 2 actually, but I only got the 1. So we're going to give that a try and see. I don't know if it doesn't really have suction cups on the back. Well, maybe it does. I'll have to see how well that sticks to the bathtub. Because, you know, I am getting older. I can't fall down in the bathtub and break a hip. That would be terrible. Okay, and then, oh, I got dumpy hair all over me. And this is my Halloween shirt, my skull shirt. I got this at Walmart, walmart.com. So, and then I think the last thing, nope, I got one more thing. My favorite thing, I'm going to save that for last. I got the Freeman Beauty Infusion Hydrating Sheet Mask with Manuka Honey and Collagen. Give myself a little facial, trying to not cheer myself up, because I'm doing pretty good. Some of y'all know my mom passed away in June. It's been kind of hard, and we've had some other things happen in the family that have been difficult, but we're trying to get better and find ways to celebrate life a little bit. But anyway, got the face mask, and got some new lotion and hair treatment and stuff like that. But anyway, this is the favorite thing I found, and it's just a silly little thing. It's these cute little puppy page markers, so you can you know, like if you're in a book, reading a book, which I've been not reading books, but I got a subscription to Audible so I can get the audio books. So I've been listening to a lot of books, but this is good to stick in your checkbook or wherever so you can keep track of what you're doing. But I just thought they were adorable. Look at that little puppy with the crown of the Dossier Perfume is Janice Urfer. If I'm saying that last name wrong, I'm so sorry, but it's Urffer. So Janice, if you will email me at scp. No, I'm saying it wrong, y'all. scp@sc.rr.com, and it's down in the description box, my email address. Janice, if you'll contact me with your mailing address, I'll get that perfume out to y'all. Thanks to everybody who's watched my channel and who entered the contest. I hope to be giving away some more stuff soon, so stay tuned for that. And stay tuned for my DIY videos. It's coming up the holiday season, and I'm going to try to I got a few more Halloween things to get out of the way, but to get them done, I'm kind of behind schedule because it's been real hectic. But get those out of the way and do a few Thanksgiving ones, and then I really want to do a lot of Christmas stuff. So y'all have a great week, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.